Hello, my name is Peter. I have never ever experienced a gong bath ever before, but this was one of the most dear and beautiful experiences I've had. It has to be in the top 5 of everything I've done in my life. The feeling of serenity and bliss immediately just took into my body, and it was such a resonance of feeling so great. My life at the moment is I'm experiencing some unwellness, but this has really felt such invigorating vibration going right through my life, into my every cell of my body, and I feel like wow. And if you've never been to a gong bath or gong meditation, I just plead with you, please give it a try, because you will just be amazed at the feeling and the wow that you're going to get into your life just from this simple experience of incredible sound coming all the way through your body into all the cells, and you still take it away because I can still feel it. But it's the most marvelous experience that I can recall for a very long time. So thank you for listening to my little bit dry voice, but that's part of my unwellness, so thank you.